Good afternoon, class. It's time for Monday. So, good afternoon, class. It is time for Monday Social Studies. And today, in Lesson 3, Section 3, on page 42, we will be talking about Rosenberg, Oregon. In Lesson 3, Section 3, we're going to read about the geography of Rosenberg, Oregon, on page 42. Geography has a lot to do with how we live. To see why this is so, let's look at 4 cities. We'll start with Rosenberg, Oregon. Oregon is in the northwest region of the United States. A region is in an area with certain features in common. The Northwest has lots of mountains, trees, and rivers. People in Rosenberg know all about these physical features. Rosenberg is in the valley of the Cascade Mountains. Tall trees cover the mountains, and a big river runs through the city. Many people go fishing in the river. If we look at this page, this is the geography of Oregon, how it looks from a distance. Can you see the full picture? The climate in Rosenberg is gentle and mild and rarely gets very cold or very hot. Winters are cool and rainy, while summers are warm and dry. Rosenberg's climate helps plants and trees grow. Forests are the most important natural resource in Rosenberg. People work in lumber mills, cutting down trees and sending the lumber to other places. Lumber is wood that has been cut from trees. Lumber mills have been in Rosenberg for many years. Some people make sure that more trees are planted to replace those that are cut down. Why do you think they do this? Logs are stacked at the lumber mill before they are shipped. This is a whole lot of wood, guys. It looks nice. So, thank you guys for listening to the story with me. What we're going to do is we're going to look at our worksheet. So, in your Monday folders, you should have a worksheet titled Geography and the Way We Live. It's page 3 at the bottom. You'll see page 3. At the top, always remember you can press pause or press play. Excuse me. At the top, let's put your name. It's Bryant. So it says read section 3 through 6. Each day we'll read a section, guys. Fill in this table as you read. So on Monday, we're on Rosenberg, Oregon. Name and location of community, Rosenberg, Oregon. Physical features. An example of physical feature is a river or mountain. So as we've read in here, it told us that the Northwest has lots of mountains, trees, and rivers. So that's something that I will write. Mountains, trees, and rivers. The climate. Example of climate is the temperature or the rainfall. As we kept reading on page 43, it told us the climate in Rosenberg is gentle and mild and rarely gets very cold or very hot. Winters are cool and rainy, so I will put winters are cool and rainy. Summers are warm and dry. Natural resources are examples of wood, fish. People work in lumber. So it says forests are the most important natural resource in Rosenberg. People work in lumber mills, cutting down trees. So the forest, but it's really the lumber mills. Wood. Wood is the natural resource. They get the wood from the forest and the lumber mills. Alright, guys, remember that you can always press pause if you need to catch up. If I talked too fast or I was writing too fast, feel free to go back and write everything that Ms. Bryant wrote out. Make sure you're completing your assignments and not forgetting your name. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.